The Virginia Tech Star Helmet Rating System research has had a huge effect on both helmet manufacturers seen across the country and application of the headgear equipment seen on the field.
Really, it's affected football at all levels. When we started out with our helmet rating system, there was only one 5-star rated helmet. Now I think there are about 10. All the major manufacturers have a 5-star helmet. The manufacturers are starting to make better helmets. As far as helmets that are actually used in the field, at the NFL level, they've put posters in their locker rooms with all our helmet ratings listed. You still see some older helmets in the NFL, but then at the college and high school level, a lot of those poor performing helmets are no longer in use.
Center for Injury Biomechanics researcher Brian Cobb says that because there are a lot of variables when it comes to football blows to the head, there are several different tests that the Star Ratings research team has to run to collect data.
Here in the lab, we've got a Noxie-style drop tower, and then we also have a pneumatic linear impactor and a pendulum. And we're currently using all of those for different aspects of our helmet testing.
Stephen Dumas, who is the head of biomedical engineering at Virginia Tech, describes how the testing works and what it's used for.
We design and improve the acceleration reducing ability of helmets. We've instrumented the Virginia Tech football team with accelerometer systems. And between each play, we download the player's hits. And if there's an acceleration above a set threshold, the team physician wears a beeper and he's notified to go look and talk to that player. Now what's important is that these sensors measure both linear acceleration and rotational acceleration. And the research we're doing here at Virginia Tech combines both of those to predict the risk of concussion.
With the current testing, however, Cobb says that there are limitations.
Currently with football helmets, the star rating system uses the Noxie drop tower, which doesn't include biofidelic neck, which would be a neck that accurately represents human response to impact. Moving forward, we're looking at test methods that would include a neck. In our hockey star testing that's going to be coming out later this spring, we're using the pendulum, and we've got the head form mounted on a crash test dummy neck.
Those limitations have forced researchers to reevaluate their methods for the future.
Our future test methodologies may start looking more like the hockey testing later on, where we use something like a pendulum and a biofidelic neck, but that's something that we're going to need to take a look at in the coming years.
This is Chris Barnhart reporting.